Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis World. Today I am going to show you super healthy and super tasty banana flower dal which tastes amazing with rice or roti with some ghee on top of it. I'll show you how to make this super tasty dal in a easy and healthy way. So let's get started. Friends, banana flower dal is very beneficial especially for our bones and overall health. Try to include this vegetable at least once in a week or two. Believe me, this dal tastes amazing and very easy to make. So do try this recipe and don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you.